Hello and welcome grade 3s to another new maths concept for this week. Alright, so you will see in your work that we are doing a new concept called rounding off to the nearest 10. So if I think of the word rounding off, I would think of a circle. What shape is round? A circle. And as you can see, there is a little man in a roller coaster going round and round and round and round. But what number is round? Yep, it's a 0. So, rounding off does not mean going around in circles over and over and over. That would make me very dizzy. No, rounding off doesn't have anything to do with circles, but it does have to do with the number 0. So what exactly is rounding off? When rounding off, we round numbers either going up, like the roller coaster did, or numbers coming down to the nearest 10. So when we are counting in tens, counting 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. They all end in a 0, and that is important. 0 or naught tells me my answer. So have you ever been to Gold Reef City? If you have, you might have gone on the Anaconda or the Tower of Terror. Now I'm referring to the Tower of Terror. So you might be going up, 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 up. And now all of a sudden, your roller coaster stops. It cannot go any further. Do you think it will be able to go over, or will it have to come back down? My next one. Maybe you're on the Tower of Terror and now they stop right in the middle. Will your roller coaster go back down, or do you think with a little push and a shove it might move forward? The last one, alright, is when you have gone over and now you're stuck just over the bump. Are you going to roll all the way back, or are you just going to keep on going forward? Right, so this is our roller coaster rounding off to the nearest 10. So it is counting in ones. If I take my roller coaster, I made a little roller coaster. And for example, we end at the number 4. We end at the number 4. And I'm going to put a nice circle at number 4 on my number line. Do you think this roller coaster will be able to go up and land in 10? Or will this roller coaster roll back down into 0? What did you answer? Yes, this roller coaster cannot go up, 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 and then land in 10. This roller coaster, if it ends or lands at 4, it will roll back and end in 0. So my answer has to end in a 0. Either 0 or 10. Let's have a look at another example. Right, so I'm coming up the roller coaster and I stop at 6. On my roller coaster, roll all the way back into 0. Or will my roller coaster go down into 10? So my roller coaster will keep on going forward and land in 10. So there is a little secret. The secret is if my units end in a 1, 2, 3 or 4, like here 1, 2, 3 or 4, it will fall back. But if it is at 5, because 5 is already in the middle, 6, 7, 8 or 9 is my unit at the end, then it will keep on going forward to the next 10. Right, let me take these two off so that I can show you a different example. So this number line is now counting from 20 to 30. Let us choose a number. I'm going to choose number 27. So my roller coaster has gone up, 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 up. Now it's stuck at number 27. Right. Is 27 going to go forward and land in 30? Or is it going to go all the way back and land in 20? So think, what did Miss Bull tell you? If the unit ends in a 1, 2, 3 or 4, then it will round down and come back. But if it ends in a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we will round up and it will go to 30. So this roller coaster, 27, is closer to 30. If you look at the number line, there's only 1, 2, 3 to get to 30. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to get to 20. So if we round 27 to the nearest 10, then it is closer to 30 than to 20. Right, let's do another example. Let's do 21. Right, so I take my roller coaster, and my roller coaster is here at 21. Will it get stuck? Will my roller coaster fall back down to 20, or will it go all the way to 30? Which one is it closer to? So remember, what did we say? If it ends in a 1, 2, 3 or 4, it rolls down, we round it down to 20. But if it ends in a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then it will go to 30. This one is at 21, so it is closer to 20. So it will move to 20. Let's have a look at a different set of numbers. Right, these are counting from 10 to 20. So what number do you think I'm going to choose? Oh dear, let me go back. Right, what number did you guess? Let me choose in the middle, 50. Right, so I land on number 15. So, the closest 10 is either 10 or 20. So this roller coaster can either go back down and land in 10, or it can keep on going forward and land in 20. So remember, what did Miss Bull say? If it ends in a 1, 2, 3 or 4, then it will roll back down to 10. If it is a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, it will roll forward. So this roller coaster will go to 20 because it is in the middle. Remember, the middle number is already big and powerful, so it will just keep on going forward. It's not going to go back to 10. let's choose number 40. Alright, this roller coaster got stuck at number 40. Do you think this roller coaster would go Do you think this roller coaster would go all the way to 50? No, it cannot. It's already stuck at 40 because it already ends in a 0. It stays where it is. It doesn't move forward. Okay, remember when I round off to the nearest 10, it has to end in a 0. So 40 would stay there. Right, let's have a look. Numbers between 61 and 69. I'm going to choose 69. Right, so my roller coaster went all the way up, but now it got stuck at 69. Do you think it will roll all the way back down to 60 or just go one forward into 70? So let's think again. If it ends in a 1, 2, 3, 4, it rolls back down and it would land in 60. If it is 65, 66, 67, 68 or 69, so the unit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, it would land in 70. So yes, it is closest to 70, it's nearest to 70. Rounding off 69 to the nearest 10 will be 70. Alright, I think this is my last one before I show you how to do it in your book. Let us choose number 33. 33 is my lucky number. Right, so I've chosen number 33. Will my roller coaster fall back down into 30, or will my roller coaster keep on going and fall into 40? Remember what we said. If it ends in a 1, 2, 3 or 4, it will roll back down. But if it ends in a 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, it will keep on rolling forward. So this roller coaster will roll back and land in 30. Right, if you have a look, 33 is closer to 30 than what it is all the way to 40. Yes. Alright, let's check. Ooh. So this work that you see here is what you are going to do in your book. So when you have a look, this is not an equal sign. An equal sign, remember, is two straight lines. This is a little bit of a squiggly line. It looks like an unhappy face going into a happy face. So it means it's more or less, but it's not exactly. So if I think of 56, 56 is between 50 and 60. So will 56 roll down to 50, or will 56 go forward and land in 60? So think about it. Is 56 closer to 50 or to 60? Take your roller coaster. Where would 56 be on your roller coaster? So if 55 is at the top, it would be to the right of 56, one more. So it would go forward and land in 60. So I would write 56, rounded off to the nearest 10 is 60. If you're not sure, go and draw your little roller coaster for yourself. Right, if I look at the next one, 42. 42, rounded off to the nearest 10 Is it closer to 40 or is it closer to 50? Will 42 roll back into 40 or will it have to go all the way till 50? So 42, because the unit ends in a 2, it will roll back down to 40. Well done. Right, so when you do it in your book, remember to leave a gap in between and follow the instructions carefully. Right, so this is our rounding off lesson. So, what do we need to remember? We are counting in tens. My answer has to end in a 0. If my unit is 1, 2, 3 or 4, I will roll back to my previous 10. But if it ends in 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, it will roll forward into my next 10. Thank you grade 3s for listening. I hope you had fun and I hope you understand this new concept a little bit better. If you don't, look at the video again and try again. Have fun. See you next time. Bye.